Hello guys, this is the 1% Force Club. Welcome back to the channel. Here I am coming with another video, that is the Confluence or with the twin tower strategy, how to eliminate your entries to get the best results. So here I have taken some entries from different pairs, and from my past videos on twin tower strategy, you have seen that twin tower when formed on 70 or 30 level and the blue also cross that level, then you have to take entries. So I have taken sell entries from USD Swiss franc. This is M1 chart, zoom level 0. So this video will be a great session for you because here I'm showing you how to compile with other Confluence with the twin tower strategy. And on the 14 minute of this video, you will see I fall in a great loss, then I have to cut down loss, and then again I flip my account. So this is from 2000 to 5000 challenge, and in the middle I fall in great loss and I have to cut all the loss, then I trade again, and I show what the fault was on my entries. So you must learn something new on this video. If you found anything good on this channel, you must subscribe, like, and comment. So let's start. Here, Bitcoin USD, we have taken sell entries from get bidden USD. I've taken sell entries, and as you know, when price go against you, you just have to add some more possession. So I'm adding more, and here the floating loss was the USD. Here also twin tower formed and blue cross 70 level. Then I taken sell entries. This is the timing. You need to know what time is it. So here you see New York time session and the London time session, the most volatile time session. So Aussie USD, here I have taken sell entries, and now Bitcoin coming down. So here's some profit, and I'm waiting to see some great move from the Bitcoin. This is Great Britain USD, so it's now coming down. So I'm just taking all the profit from Great Britain USD. Okay, I booked all the profit, so our account here also some other entries. I've just taken all the profit from Great Britain USD. So all the profit booked, and now those pairs are in floating loss. As you see, USD Swiss franc still not in profit, price hitting upward as we taken sell entries, price coming some down, but now it's going upward, so we're just holding the trade. Here Bitcoin, we're taking sell entries, but price hitting upward, so we're just waiting to see price coming down. Okay, let's see what's happening. And you have to move the grid left to right, and here resistance or supply this area. So we're taking sell entries from here, and supply become demand here, so price going upward. But twin tower formed on 70 and the blue cross 70, so still I'm waiting to see price coming down from Bitcoin USD. And this is the H1 chart, as you see. So to mapping area of confluence, you have to move your time frame M1 to H1, so you can see the area of values. And I'm coming back to M1 again, and price now coming down from this level, and price is now just entering to the entry level. So I'm just expecting to see price coming down from our entry level. This is a key level, as you see here, the supply taken place. So area of supply, so from this level, if you've taken entries from this level, then it would be better. You didn't have to face the floating loss. And this is 13 all. So if you go to that time here, from here we have taken sell entries, and after taking entries, price going up because it didn't match to the confluence. So you're better taking any entries with all confluence. And what is confluence? Confluence means the key levels. Key levels means where the supply or demand happened on the previous session, on the previous chart. So here you see on H1, here the price coming down from this level, price reacting and coming down. So this is a supply area. And where we taken entries, that was not a proper supply area, it was some more upward. The supply area, as you see, the peak of line chart, a little bit up, whatever. After some moments, sometimes price coming down, and now Bitcoin USD in great profit. As you see, price coming down. So I'm just want to take profit this level. So here you see. So I'm now booking all the profit from Bitcoin USD. So as you know, Bitcoin is a bit little high volatile. So you have to careful before taking entries from Bitcoin, because this is a high volatile uh, indices. So just taking all the profits from Bitcoin, and you have to be cautious before taking entries and exits. You have to match all the confluence. On the middle of this video, I will show you how to analyze market proper way with matching with all confluence. And after practicing a lot, you must see your height on this trading career with the 1%. So trading is easy. You have to analyze proper way. You have to learn first and then practice a lot on demo account, and then you can expect some great achievement on forex trading. So this is the H1 chart, and here, as you see, price coming down from here, and then it's reacting this area, and then again coming down. So I'm taking profits from rest of the entries of Bitcoin. So on this stage you have to pay attention more, because here you see that we already, our balance shows 5,000 USD, but we are in more than $1,000 floating loss. That's why our equity is near to the 3,000 USD, and here USDCHF is in a great loss, floating loss. And here you see USD Swiss franc, after taking entries, it didn't coming down much from our sell entries, but we made the confluence like 20 on 70 level, and the blue cross on 70, but it didn't coming down, it's just going upwards some more and more. So here I'm putting down some vertical and horizontal line on the entry level during we taken entries. So I'm just entering to the H1 chart, so you now have to pay attention what happening here. As you see, I have taken sell from here, but on H1 chart, what do you see? So you have to analyze H1 chart with M1, and before taking entries from M1, you have to see the H1 for the main trend of the current price. So here you see the blue. So on M1 chart you see the 20 and the blue cross on 70 to sell entry, sell signals, but still it's on losing moment. So I'm just explaining you why did it happen, and from the H1 chart you just see that on M1 chart you just see that it hitting upwards, but on H1 it shows buy tendency from USD Swiss franc. So from 5K to $600 is a great loss, because too many time passed but price didn't coming down. So this is a great learning for you. So keep notes from here. I'm just going to explaining all the things why I have faced this huge loss. So let's see how to recover and how to manage my risks. So here is the Swiss franc. I'm going to chart. This is M1 chart. So Right at this moment, we have two pairs on entries. Now, one is USD Swiss franc, another is USDJPY. So I'm now explaining you what wrong with our entries and what can we do to manage our risk. Pay attention. So here, the M1 chart of Swiss franc, and here the entry. So I'm just marking the level of our entries by a horizontal line, and the proper time of entries marking by a vertical line. So pink and green line showing you from where we have taken the sell entries for this USD Swiss franc. As we didn't meet with the confluence of other things, so price is in great loss, our entry is in great loss. So I'm just now explaining you what wrong with us and how to take entries proper way with other confluence will be explained here right now. Pay attention. So we have to take entries from higher time frame, that is HDF. So M1, you have to take entries from M1, but before taking entries, you have to see the trend from H1. So let's go to H1. So here, okay, some previous level is still seen here. I'm just deleting all the objects. So from M1, I'm marking again the entry points. So here I'm adding a vertical and horizontal line to make it clear to you, so you can spot the place where we have taken entries. Okay, so I'm now, so here as you see, this is M1 chart and twin tail formed on 7th level, and the same time blue cross 7th level. So we have taken sell entries from here, but our entries was in great loss. Still we are in loss, floating loss. So how to manage the risk and what wrong with us, I'm just explaining you here. So let's go to the H1. As you see, this is H1 chart, and you can also see the spot where we have taken sell entries. But from H1, what do you see? What do you see? You see that the twin tail formed on 30 level on H1 chart, and blue cross also on 30 level. So it's purely indicate the buying momentum on our chart, 1 hour chart. So from here it signals a buy, but on M1 it signaled sell. So before taking entries, you have to matching your time frame with higher time frame. So match your H1 confluence to M1, so that will lead you a better gaining. At least you can manage your risks proper way, and you can gain a huge if you matching your trading confluence with high time frame like H1. So H1 didn't match with M1 because H1 indicates here buy signal, but on M1 we see that it signals sell. So that wasn't matching. So that's why we are in great loss. So you better always see first the higher time frame, then coming to the lower time frame like M1. As you know, the 1% scalper always scalping from 1 minute chart to detecting the confluence of price you have to match higher to the lower time frame, the same confluence. So when you see H1 indicates buy signal, then on lower time frame like M1 chart, you always have to looking for buy opportunity. That's why I now decide to cut down all the losses from USD Swiss franc, so I'm taking loss. So those who ask me why I didn't take any loss, so now you see how I'm taking loss. So it doesn't matter if you want to take profit, you have to take losses, but you have to decide when to take loss and when to take profit, and all those things are a matter of experience, and experience can be gained after analyzing chart. And how to analyze a chart, I'm continuously showing you on this channel. So here I'm cutting down all the loss from USD Swiss franc. So our equity is in $700, although we reached to the $3,000 previously. So it is a great fall down, but falling to the zero is the most weird thing. So you better cut down your loss before blowing your account. And I'll also show you from this situation how I made the gainings. So here you see the USDJPY, and here I'm marking the entry point for this pair losses. Entry point, here you see the entry point with the vertical and horizontal green and pink line. So it is M1, you see the blue cross at the twin tower formed on 70 level, so it indicates sell. So we have taken sell, but it wasn't a correct decision because we didn't see higher time frame. So I'm now going to H1 chart. Here you see the H1 chart for USDJPY, and what do you see? You see the blue line crossed the 30, and here twin top formed on 30, so it indicates buy signal. So from USDJPY that time, only buy signal was valid because higher time frame asking you, here is a great session running with buy signal and price hitting upward. So on M1 chart we take and sell, and that was a wrong decision. I hope you got it. So you need to match your time frame from higher to lower, the same signal. And if you see a higher time frame signals buy, then you should looking for buy signals on lower time frame only. Then you would be profitable. So I'm just cutting my losses. Here you see a great loss running here. So I'm cutting down all the USDJPY losses. So you have to brave to take loss because you know that trading confluences, and we always not correct, sometimes bad decision taken by us, but when you understand it is not right, it is in wrong, then immediately you have to cut your loss. You have to step to the right way. So I'm just cutting all the loss here, and Our price, our balance is now on $800. Okay, so you see $849 after cutting loss. So you can ask me why I have taken those entries, isn't it? Why I've taken if I match all the loss, all the confluences. Okay, I didn't take the confluence, so I fall on that loss. After all, I want to show you how to manage risks and what the same thing you're doing all the time. That's why you fall in loss. So how to manage risks and how to recover will be the topic here. So pay attention for this session. So $849 huge loss. As you see my previous video, I have shown $100 to $1,000, and then I made $1,000 to $2,000. And then today I have already made 2,000 to 3,000, but we fall in great loss. And now after cutting down all the loss, now I am in $849. So here I'm recovering all the loss. So it is H1 chart from gold. And what you see here is the twin tower formed on 7th level on high time frame, and the blue also crossed the 7th level. So here sell signal generated by high time frame, and on the same time you have to see that the violet crossed the blue on the main chart. So that will be the valid signal. Take notes, take notes. So I'm now going to the M1 chart. Okay, this is the blue cross, and here also blue on main chart. Blue means it is 200 EMA on RSI window and the main window. When blue crossed by the violet, then the selling momentum start. So after blue crossed by violet, you have to start selling. So that will be the key level. From this level, that is a universal level. From this level, you won't be falling loss. So look for sell signal from M1 chart for gold now. So I'm just going to M1 chart. Let's go. Okay, here. So we just dragging the past level. So here I'm seeing a selling opportunity because twin tower formed after dragging the chart to the left end. Here twin tower formed, so I'm just selling because, as you know, our main chart, our main time frame, that is H1 time frame, our high time frame, showing us to take sell entries. So I'm just taking sell from the lower time frame like M1. And to recover loss, I just make some big lots of 0.55 and 0.1, and within very short time I'm just recovering all the loss. Here you will see that. So sell interest taken from this level for gold, and it is a great key level, because if you drag the chart, main chart, you will see that the previous confluence, previous levels. So price is now hitting down. So I'm just waiting to see price coming down from gold, and as you see here, a great momentum, price aggressively coming down from this level, and here is our profit, as you see. So I'm just booking all the profit from 800. It is now 1100. So I'm just booking all the profit. We need early gainings, because last 2 days I'm just waiting to show you how to recover loss, and this is the Friday and the last session of the trading hours, so price will be some bit little ranging. So here again, orange and pink coming to the 30 after dragging the chart to the left end. So here so keep remember, here you only take here you only look for sell, because higher time frame shows sell entries, and if you want to take buy, then it will be a short entry. Short means for a short moment you have to take early profit or loss for buy entries from here. So as you see here, H1 chart. Okay, it is another pair, Aussie USD. H1 here, seeing not a great signal, because price already coming down from upwards. Here you see. So here Aussie USD is in selling momentum, because blue cross on 70 and twin tail formula on 70, and for USDJPY H1 chart, just blue enter into the 70, twin tail formed on 70, and selling momentum will be started, but what I say, violet need to cross the blue. That is another confluence. Okay, here Euro USD H1 chart. Here you see the twin tail formed, and blue also cross to the 30. So buying momentum, but you have to see that the blue need to cross the violet need to cross the blue, then the buying momentum will be started. So Aussie USD here, H1 chart, and okay, we are in gold, and here twin tail formed, so it indicates buy, the short-term buy, very short-term buy, because higher time frame indicates us to sell. So if you see buy momentum, then you have to take early buy and early exit. And as you see, market is in ranging mode here, so I'm just taking entries of buying momentum right at this moment. And as you know, 1% traders can take every swing. He knows every swing, so he can take profit from every swing. So as you know, as you see here, I have taken buy entries, and price now nicely going upwards, and within very short moment, huge profits. So I'm just booking the profit. You have to keep notes what's happening on the main chart, on the second chart, and when the price crossing to the blue and violet to the upward, and I decide again to take sell, because selling momentum is the universal from the H1 chart, so you don't have to fear about taking sell. Okay, I'm adding big lot, then make it small size, and now taking entries. Okay, some sell entries taken, and as you see, this is a great key level. And as you know, our main mode is sell, so I'm taking sell. You don't have to fear enough. You can take sell from this level with bold heart. So as long as price going upward, we just adding entries, we're just adding position. If my broker allow me, I will add more entries. So price is now coming down after taking sell. So again, I'm just booking the profit, and we're already reaching from $800 to $1,600. So now price again coming down, and I'm just waiting to take entries from key levels and the signals from the RSI window from the Twin Tower. So Twin Tower is a smart strategy. If you analyze market with Twin Tower, you really can improve your trading knowledge. And this is the Friday last session. I like to take trade on the last session. No reason, just I feel free on Friday, so I'm just taking. Okay, I'm waiting to see price on the key level, and again price coming to this level for a buy signal, so I'm taking buy with some big lot 0.55. Taking this big lot is not ideal. You have to manage your risk with your own way. I can take much more bigger lot size, but that is not identical from the 1%. I always trade with 0.1 lot, but to recover this losing session, I'm just taking some big lots. Well, you don't have to follow this type of task. Just to show you, I'm just adding buy entries from here. It is M1 gold chart. As you see from H1, we got the sell signal, but I'm now taking buy for a very short momentum. So whenever I see price going upward, I just booking all the profit within short moment. So here I'm taking the profit. So we are reaching to the 2000 USD from 800. I'm showing you how to recover your loss and how to cut down your loss and how to recover your loss with proper management, with proper risk management. And again, I'm taking some sell entries because price hitting upward to the key level where we have taken sell entries previously. So I'm just continuously taking sell entries because it is a very potential area, the area of confluence, and higher time frame show us that price is in selling momentum. As price reaching to this key area, I'm just adding sell entries. And as you know, on the trading world there is accumulation and distribution, so price is offering distribution. So I'm just selling from this offered price level. So too many entries taken from this price level because it is really a great area of distribution. So a lot of entries taken here. I want to show you how to make 5,000. So that is distribution area. From distribution area, price also went down. And our main signal is sell. So we taking sell interest, 2 minute sell interest, and after some seconds and minutes, then price reaching. So what do you see? Great. So from 2000 is now 3000, but still we holding the trade. So that's how the 1% play with the market and manage their risk and recover their account. And how they gain huge from the market. So from starting with $100 account, very small account, I'm now planning to reach at the $5,000, and I'm just waiting to see price come down from the confluence area of sell, and you must see the price falling down. Just wait. So I hope all of my videos making sense to you on your trading career. So here already $4,000, and after practicing all of my strategies, you must see your height on trading career. You can ask me any question. You can share your trading experience, and you can knock me to the email. And if you see anything good, anything promising on this channel, you can subscribe, you can like my videos, and you can comment. So don't call me gambler here because too many entries taken by me, but I know price where the price will go now, so I have taken all the entries. Because traditionally it is not ideal to take too many entries. So it's, it's looking good here, and price is now coming upward and not to go much far than the key area, the area of confluence. And I'm just waiting to see a great fall of this level. So here you see, so gold is now making less distribution from this area. You might see the price fall here very soon. So I want to see your success on Forex career. That's why I made those videos. All the content of this channel is totally free. I never charge you any money for my strategies, for my trading knowledge sharing here. And the only way to contact me is the email. And I don't like to show up, but I really want to show you my trading knowledge that can help you on your trading career. This is H1. As you see, price is in selling momentum on H1, and this is the M1 chart, and now price coming down. So I'm targeting $5,000. So after reaching to that level, I will take profits. So price is now on $5,000. So I'm just booking all the profit. That's how the 1% manage their risks and recover their account. I have shared some important manner of trading, how to take loss and then how to recover, how to play with the confluence of market, how to jump to the higher to the lower time frame, where is the area of values, when you have to decide to cut loss before blowing your account, and how to recover your loss with the most smart way with the twin tower strategy. So you see, I'm taking all the profit from the gold, and price is reaching more than $6,000. So I'm just targeting 5,000, and now it is $6,317. So that's great achievement, and that's it. Wish you good health. Stay tuned, subscribe, and like and share my videos. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.